Y'all having a great weekend. Me and my brother and my cousin are about to go see the Godzilla -1. Don't laugh. It's got great reviews, and my brother loves Godzilla. I do too, actually. My cousin, not so much. But anyhow, good morning, good morning, good morning. A rare Sunday morning. I figure I'd get it in now, get it out of the way. I'll be real busy, obviously, this afternoon with Bri, and then this evening with my brother and cousin. Actually, he's more like a brother. He is a brother. Uncle Mark. So this is Sunday. So we're going to go with live forex crypto stock trading. I have no idea what's today. Third, Sunday the 3rd. Sunday the 3rd. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Sunday's call outs for Monday's trades. Safetytrade.com. How's everybody weekend doing? This is a rare Sunday morning. I did want to go over a few things. That's why I'm taking my time this morning to do this. Let's see. Good Sunday morning. I can't see anybody yet, but I will be there in just a second. This is a rare Sunday morning live to make call outs for Monday. Enjoy, learn, and let's pray some of my signal call outs actually come true. All right. God bless. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yeah, I think this is it. Yeah. I don't know if anybody's here. If you are, good morning. I'll be right with y'all in just a second. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Good morning to you. Oh, let's see. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I don't know. Stream location. We got that down pat. We got a recording date. Da, 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 da. Now we're live. Okay, now we're over here. Let me get going on TikTok. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Hey, there's actually a few of you here. What's up, guys? Be right with you. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Might have forgot something, but I don't think I did. Oh well. Hopefully it's all there. Not installed. Right. We don't want the update installed there. Good morning. We're not going to stay long. Good morning, everyone. Why is my why is my I have to plug in the other one. That's odd. My neon sign is off. Yet it's not. Well, the one neon sign, the other neon sign is on. Anywho. All right, guys. Hope everybody's having a great, fantastically great weekend. I would like to say good morning to everybody. Let's make sure we're on TikTok before I get rolling here. Da, 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 da. Good morning, Amy Lou. Number one, Amy. What's up, Amy? What are you doing up this early on a Sunday morning? Good morning, Adam. Good morning, CPEZ. Da, 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 da. And who do we have? I thought I saw Robel. I did. Good morning, Robel. The man on the winning streak. Good morning, Bob Uten. Good morning, Jones 808. Good morning, Raider Trader. Good morning, Sunday morning, Guy Berger and Scorpion Mom 2. Good morning, Lisa Shea. Good morning, Mr. C. I'm doing fantastic, Mr. C. I hope you are too. Good morning, Mike Moy. Good morning, Henry Chasing. Good morning, Private User. Good morning, LT. On 2 open trades. Yeah, I've had these trades open for a while. Technically, they kind of been costing me a little money because of the swap fee, but I'm still on the risk. It will go into Y on those. Morning, everybody. Morning, Sandro. Morning, Sash, and God bless you. I knew you were going to say it. Good morning, Umar. Good morning, Tanny. Good morning, LT. Good morning, T-Mark and Sandman's for you. Good morning, John C. Good morning, Yolanda. Good morning, Ken Louder. Good morning, Stacy Ocho. Good morning, LT. I did monetize. I'm really good about that, LT. Thank you for reminding me. It took me a minute to catch on, but I'm doing it regularly now. Good morning, Mr. C on both. Thank you. Good morning, James Bond. Thank you for being on both, Mr. C. Good morning, Tank Dog. Good morning, Gold Eagle. Good morning, Stacy Ocho. Did that say 80? That says 800 pips on NAS buy, and the dollar amount is clear. That's 80,013. $223 an ounce made on gold. 200. So it's either, which one's more impressive? 800 on NAS, 800 pips on NAS, or 223 pips, $223 an ounce on gold. I don't know. Which one do you guys think is more impressive? I'm fucking shocked by either, but whatever. Good morning, Matt. Good morning, CP Sleepy Doc. Good morning, James Bond again. All right, guys. I didn't expect hardly any of you to be here, so I'm not asking anyone to go anywhere or do anything. I don't give a fuck. Good morning, good morning, good morning. You think the 220? I think so too, but 800 pips on a trade. We were almost at 1,000 at one time. I think we're at 950 or something on NAS. I have to go back and look. But either or, I'm thrilled. Just thankful to God for both. All right, guys, I'm going to make some call outs. Not going to stay on long at all. This is the release. I need everyone or whoever give me at least 2 or 3 yeses. Legal disclaimer. We are not financial advisors. No one along with us. Oh, everyone's saying gold. Nice, Andrew Rebel. I am not a financial advisor. Bree's not a financial advisor. My brother's not. Any guest that comes on here is not a financial advisor. Sleepy Doc already said yes. Michael Mohan said yes. Bob Uten said yes. I'm good. I'm not even going to read the rest. You can read it at your leisure. You can go back and look that over. Feel free. But please remember, you guys are all freaking adults. Act like it. You're responsible for your own actions, not me. You're responsible for your own actions, not me. So if you guys understand that, maybe we can all, be adults here and I don't have to worry about shit, okay? Good morning, Cindy Ganetti. How have you been? Thank you, Amy Lou. Michael Mohoyhan. Michael Mohoyhan must have the best Irish day ever. It sounds Mohoyhan? I don't know. Sounds Irish, maybe not. All right. So we're going to do some call outs, but I do want to go over, I do want to go over one thing before we do the call outs. And then we're going to go over how to trade. I'll show you how to do that blue line trade because everyone loved that Friday. In this very video, actually, I believe we're in this very video here. Let's see. Right here. In this very video. Oh, you have been great, Cindy. That's awesome. Good morning, Sai. Here we go. All right, listen, guys. On Friday, I made some call outs. And I think everyone just takes it for granted. See, these are my same trades from that day, actually. Takes it for granted or doesn't realize it, doesn't understand, or doesn't hear what I say. So I wanted to go over from this very video. I don't have volume on this, but I do on my phone. So I'm going to play a recording from Friday morning when I was talking about something. And I'm going to play a recording from Friday morning, okay? And it was somewhere right around Right around here. And this is what I was saying. Everyone listen up. Here it comes. Just did. You made money on the US 31-minute sell stop. Mike, is that true? My brother, Mike. SPX, sell stop. Waiting for these to go down and join their fellow friends right here. Then you're going to see SPX turn to red over here. Then you're going to see US 30 turn to red. So we got 3 reds. You'll probably even see US 30 go to 5 minutes today. And after that, later today, tomorrow, we don't have later tonight, Sunday morning. Then you'll see these all turn green again. So am I clear? Am I clear? I said that these were all going to turn red, which they did, all of these. And then I said they were all going to turn back to green, which let's take a look. Let's take a look. Did they turn back to green? I wonder. Gee, guys, help me out. Help me out here. I don't know. Are all these green again? So they all turned to red, like I said on Friday. And then late Friday, they all turned back to green. So in case some of you didn't hear that call out, I just played it for you. And here you sit with the exact same things turning back to green again. Just saying. Everyone understand that this was called out. Everyone understand that I told you what was going to happen before it happened. Everyone saw that it happened. Please put up 7s, flash 7s if you did. If you put a 9 up, I'll just replay the video recording, audio recording from the YouTube video. And I'll just keep replaying it for the next 5 or 10 minutes because actually exactly what I called out Friday morning, somewhere around 6 o'clock in the morning, came true. Good morning, Raider Trader. Good morning, Lachey. Thank you for the 7s, Yolanda. Okay, because is there any 9s out there saying no, that I did not say this? I love how if I said it and it's there, it's in a video, YouTube video, right? So who the hell can deny I said this is what's going to happen? There it is. They're fucking green. They all turned red. Now they're green. I don't know what else the hell to say. Good morning, 1, 2, 3. It's the craziest thing to me. People are like, well, maybe he's lying and he's some kind of magician. What? No. And no, I'm not going live with you, whoever you are. Someone's asking for me to go live. Just wanted to point out yet another time that the system is flawless. It's not me. I give all the credit to God, but I'm making the calls because of the system that God created through me. And then here it is. Which means you could have made money on the buy stops. You could have made money on the sell stops. You could have made money on both the buy stops and the sell stops. That's all. Just want to make sure we're all on the same page. All right, guys, here we go. I'm going to whip through a whole bunch of symbols, 10, 12, 15, whatever you guys end up asking me. That's what I'll do for you. We're going to start with oil. These are going to be calls, hopefully, Lord willing. These will be calls for Sunday night, later tonight, and Monday. So we'll see. Whoa, look at fucking oil go. 1 minute sell stop on oil, but I don't like it. This is what I think you're going to see happen. You're going to see officially 1 minute sell stop oil, unofficially 1 minute buy stop oil. It's going to arch back up here on the 15-minute level. Let me make sure everyone's not confused here. Yo, blow the man down. All right. And all charts are the same. We'll get in a second. I'm going to move this down too. All right. Right here. This is going to come back up. Price action on the 15-minute is going to come up, touch the yellow line, hook, and come back down again. Officially, oil, US and UK, 1 minute sell stop. Unofficially, buy stop 1 minute. Then you'll see it go all the way up to the 15-minute. Might even do a 30-minute here. Yeah, we had a 30-minute sell stop. Look how easy that was. 1 hour sell stop. Yep, it was a 30-minute 1 hour. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. There she blows. 4 hour sell stop. To the 1 day. I remember calling this out distinctly Thursday and Friday. Whatever. That's what she's going to do. Down to the weekly blue line, actually. And then a monthly buy stop, by the way. So whatever. All right. Look for the 1 minute buy. Look it to turn into a 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop US oil and UK oil. And that's what you're going to see happen. Okay. Next, XRP. XRP. 1 minute. Already did the blue line once. 1 minute. 1 minute XRP. 1 minute XRP. Buy. Look, a little XRP go. Where the fuck's it at? Hold on a second. 62 cents. Oh, come on, XRP. Let's move. All right. XRP, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. XRP, 5 minute buy stop. XRP, 30 minute. Already did it. 1 hour. Already did it. 4 hour sell. 4 hour sell stop XRP. Daily buy stop XRP. Weekly sell stop XRP. Monthly buy stop XRP. Ethereum. Land of Ethereum. Ethereum and Bitcoin run together. So let's take a look at Ethereum and let's take a look at Bitcoin. What one does, the other one does. Yep, they're looking exactly the same. Let me see if either one's to their 5 minute. Yep, way past it. Let me see if Ethereum's below it. No, it's all right. Ethereum, here we go. 1 minute sell stop back to the blue line, but I don't think it's going to do that. It's going to form another 5 minute buy stop. Look at these buy stops that form. Look at the money you could have made on Ethereum. One of our guys did that today, I guess. You can see a 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop on Ethereum. You can see a 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop on Bitcoin right here. You could have got Bitcoin at 38,620, whatever, and 39,000. You could have made like $1,000 a coin on Bitcoin. And one of our members, I saw he did it. Congratulations, whoever that was. Just the easiest shit on earth. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. All right. What's it going to do now? I don't know. It looks like it's too late, quite frankly. It looks like you guys are a day late and $1 short. Yeah, I'm not calling any of this shit. I've already called your daily buy stop. I already called the 4 hour buy stop. I already called the 1 hour buy stop. What weekly sell stop to the blue line, monthly buy stop. And that is the Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're both the same. USD, CHF. Whatever I call out for this ERUSD is the opposite for that. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. 5 minute 15-minute sell stop. 15-minute sell stop, EURUSD. I don't like this. I'm putting this up. I don't care if you guys fucking pay for it or not. Get it or don't. I like mine. I have to know what this is. 1 hour, 1 hour buy, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. 4 hour buy to the daily blue line. So come down, touch the yellow line, hook, and come back up again. ERUSD. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line, ERUSD. Gold. Love gold. That is so fun. It looks like 1 minute buy, but that means I think we're too far away where we're not. Yeah. It's officially 1 minute buy, gold. I must say, I'm saying 1 minute unofficially sell stop back towards the blue line. As it opens, I'd wait for the 1 minutes to form. It's got to come back down too high. Look at this rise up on gold. This is insanity. 5 minute buy, 15 minute buy on Friday. Told you about it. 30 minute buy on Friday. 1 hour buy on Friday. All too late. You're just too late. Daily, look at our daily. We're up past where I said we would be. Michael T has a real hard time understanding this. Oh, they said because of this and support and resistance that. Fuck out of here. You want to know why gold went up? Because it did a fucking daily buy stop. Look, here's your logo. Came down, came up. There it is. That's why gold's up. That's why I'm still in the trade. Some people can say shit, but when you actually take the trade and you're in gold for $223 an ounce, you might want to listen to a non-person who is not a financial advisor, knows shit about trading, right? But you can go ahead and say, well, I got $223 an ounce, which is freaking unheard of to be able to get $223 an ounce on a trade. But here we sit, not brokenhearted, not tried to. I'm just saying, look at it. There it is. There's our logo. This is what I teach you all every fuck. This is it. Look right here. I can mysteriously draw a little line here without looking somewhere else. And I can tell you, oops, hold on. I can tell you when I do this right about here. I don't know, because this is daily. This could be a little tricky. Right about here, we go to the 4 hour. Yep. And you're going to see your buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green, broken Bach. Over here, non-broken Bach on the daily. Right here, it's green. Boom, up she blows. That's why I stayed in the trade. I almost got tapped out. Remember, I was within $10 an ounce. Now look at it. Boom, boom, and all the way up to here. Now, am I getting out now? Well, now we're in unknown territory, aren't we? How high will it go? I don't fucking know. I sure as hell ain't selling this trade. I ain't closing this trade down. I'll tell you that much. I got my take profit locked in. If it comes back down, does it again, I'm going to do it fucking again. By the way, we already have a weekly buy stop. Weekly buy stop. Look at gold. How about the monthlies? Nope. So now it has to come down to its yellow. Let me be specific here. It came up, came down, and did a monthly buy stop. Then it came down and did a ricochet. Now it has to come all the way down for this to turn red on the monthly, all the way back down to here. And then it will come back up and do a monthly buy stop. This will turn red. These will stay green. Will it do that? I don't know. I can tell you one thing. It's very, very, very logical how things form. I can tell you that there's first a 1 minute buy stop. Then there's a 5-minute buy stop. Then there's a 15-minute buy stop. Then there's a 30-minute buy stop. Then there's a 1 hour buy stop. Then there's a 4 hour buy stop. Then there's a daily buy stop. So technically, let me be corrected. We need to get to a 4 hour buy stop next. It'll form right here. This will turn to red and the rest stay green. And then eventually it'll come back down again. And now it won't form just to fill in the gap buy stop. It's going to come back down. This will turn red and it will form a daily buy stop. Then after it's done with its daily, it will come back down and do a weekly buy stop. After it's done with the weekly, it'll do a monthly. You guys can clearly see green, 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 red, green, right, or the red, red, which is a broken box. And you can see gold just rocket up. This is back here when gold was $1,200 an ounce. You can clearly see this is back on 9/1/2008. And the reason I'm able to go back and look at these trades is because my system doesn't repaint. What a lot of you guys don't understand what that means is, especially if you're new, repainting indicators are the scourge of the fucking earth. Repainting indicators are the indicators that change every time you look at them. My indicators never change. So if you have enough history, you can go back fucking 6 months, a year, whatever you have on your computer memory and trading to see. So that's all. So that's a detailed explanation of gold. I'll look at your comments in just a second. SPX is a 1 minute buy, but again, I'm going to give you guys some hints right here on SPX and US 30. They're too far away from their 30-minute 1 hours. Look, they are just too. I'm not saying they won't keep going up, but they need to come back down for me to re-enter. I'm not going to take this trade. It's too far away from the yellow line on the 15-minute, even the 5-minute. I need this to come back down. Will it? I don't know. Will NAS do it? I don't know. Is NAS too far away on its 15-minute? Not as severe as the others, but if you take a look at US 30, it's like it needs a parachute. Look at the 1 minute. It's fine. 5-minute. Not too bad. 15-minute. Oh, that's pretty bad. 30-minute. Ridiculously far away. 1 hour. So if you guys don't catch on, what you guys used to call consolidation, what did you, yeah, where you were, when the, oh my gosh, when everyone always gets pissed when the market treads water, it just kind of moves in the same direction, right? It just keeps going sideways. All it's doing when the market is going sideways, it's moving directly over to touch either a 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, touch it and go up. It did it right here. Look, this is US 30. Look at SPX. There, see it came over, and sometimes it'll hook and come down and then go up. That's what it does. Gold will do the same thing. It'll hook and go down, hook and go up. There it is again. Came over, hooked, and came up. That's all it's doing. So there's no such thing as the market's unpredictable. We don't know which way the market's going. We 100% know where the market's going. Look, it came down, scooted over, touched, and went down. Came over, down. Came over, down. That's all it does. Look at this one. Came over, touched, up. Boom. That's all it does over and over. That's gold. I don't give a fuck. Pick one. EUR, GBB. Same thing. Doesn't matter. Let's go to the 1 hour. Doesn't matter what time. Let's go to a daily. Let's go to the daily and see. Look, here they go. Price comes over, comes over. This is a skipping action. I call it ricochet, but skipping. Skipping up, skipping up, skipping up, skipping up. That's all it does. I don't understand if it's doing a downward. Look, it comes down. Look at this shit. By the way, when I tell you the market forms M's and W's, I'm not the first person to discover that. Everybody knows that. There could be a triple top, a quadruple top for an M, whatever. Price starts up high. We're told to come down. It comes up. What the hell is that? Look at it again. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? You guys are funny. Everyone overcomplicates everything. Here's another hint to you guys. When you see these M pattern forms, it'll go below this M, the second leg of the M. Can you see the M? Yeses or nos? Is MT4 closing out? I don't know what the fuck MT4 is doing. They're getting ripped and reamed is what they're doing. Yeses or nos? Good morning, Jacob Silva. Good morning, David Durman. Look at it. There it is. Boop. And then it goes further than it. There it is. Then it goes further than it. There's the M. Then it goes further than it. And it usually moves in 3s or 4s. This is daily EUR GBP. Why you can see it clearer on these 4 hours and dailies and monthlies is because they can't move it on minutes. They can move it so fast you can't see it. They can move it so fast it doesn't really look like it. But on dailies and 4 hours and monthlies, they have to move it. They can't do a quadruple top on a 4 hour or a daily or a monthly or weekly. They can't. It takes too much time to develop these. So all they do is just form the little M's on the dailies. Again, I don't teach you guys this stuff normally, but I've been trying to unleash some of the time stuff I use, the candles or the time period left in your charts I use. But it doesn't matter. Gold, oil, any stock. You can see this on Apple. Let's go under some different symbols here. Let's go under some stocks. I want to just pull up one. Let's just pull up. I don't like Apple in them because they split recently. Let's just pull up some shit ass thing. Cisco probably is good. What about Intel? Did Intel split lately? They used to split all the time. You guys would have died if you'd have known when me and my brother were trading Intel. We were trading it like it was equivalent now of probably like pennies. Oh, I can't pull it up. Fuck. Hold on. I might not be able to do this then. So hold on. I'll just grab one here. Let's do, here's Bitcoin. Okay. Now let's take a look. This is Bitcoin daily. I just pulled it over. Let's take a look. Let's look at Bitcoin daily. Came down, by the way, this is a W. Then this is the M. Technically, this is the safety trade right there. And so on, it goes down. Then it forms this little thing. And then, of course, it goes down. What in the world? So even Bitcoin does it. So even when they switch over, and they will switch over to digital currency, there it is. Down she blows. There it is. Down she blows. They can't stop it. Their AI, which everyone thinks AI is so intelligent, and I'm sure it's great and it's fantastic. When it comes to trading, humans still rule. Let me give you a hint. We still rule. And I don't mean by a little. We mean by a lot. So yeah, we still win when it comes to this. I don't care if it's 4 hours. I don't care if it's dailies. This is just, if you look at it, you'll see that there's W's all spewed out in there. There's M's in here. Same thing. Doesn't matter. Over and over and over again. Just the same thing. Never changes. Oil, XRP, doesn't matter. It's so easy to see these things once you see these things. Downward sloping M's are better than upward sloping M's. Upward sloping W's are better than downward sloping. I mean, some of that's just so easy. I don't know. Just randomly stopped. Gee, I don't know what this is. You want me to keep doing this? It's just you. It's without the system, the M's and W's are useless. But with my system, boy, they come pretty handy, don't they? Good morning, Tim. Good morning, Jason Westberg. NVIDIA, please. I don't know if I can open NVIDIA. We seem to be having trouble with my thing. Amy Lou's the screen. Yes, Amy Lou. Congratulations. Neo. I don't think I have Neo, but we'll look. Can't see. What can't you see, DE? Looks pretty clear on my screen. There's an M going down and there's a W going up. Anyone learning how to trade who finds doesn't know how lucky they are. My brain is so full of the junk from before I slept. All right, Craig Williams. I 100%. That should be a pinned comment. The problem everybody has is the junk you guys have in your head if you traded before. That's why my system is so good for beginners. That's why Heather, Steve's wife, who never traded before, didn't have a losing day, I think, for 30 days and bought her own fucking Jeep. Grand Cherokee or whatever it was. No, it was a Rubicon, I think. She bought her dream Jeep, paid cash for it. Because the people, beginners, don't have their heads full of shit. All the so-called expert traders think like me. Like I used to think like, oh, Fibonacci retracement, look to the left, ascending, descending wedges. They would think, oh, W's and M's, blah, blah. They would think that that's all. It's not true. You have to get rid of all that. So you have to get that out of your brains. Once you can do that, then you just follow my rules of my system, and then it just saves you decades of trading, literally, of losing. Pretty white sheet. Wasn't it beautiful, Bob? It was. Makes all this clear as day. Nice, Sai. I'm so happy for you, Sai. Manula, that's true. It is. Isn't it crazy? What's up, Jen Holmes? Good morning, Jen Holmes. All right, let me see if I can find NVIDIA and chart it. I don't know. You know what I can do? What the fuck? Hold on a second. I'm so worried about staying on MetaTrader 4. That's what we have TradingView for. TradingView for is superior. I can trade. Now, I don't know which symbol it is, and they have like 3,000 for every fucking symbol ever made. But hold on a second. Let me go to NVIDIA and see what we can look for them. Sure, why not? Let me go over here real quick and see if I can find it. NVIDIA. Let's see, NAS 6, now MOX. I don't know which one give us the best read. I'm pretty sure. I guess we can just do this one. I always like Black Bull and all those guys. I don't see Pepperstone on here. I guess we'll just use this. Maybe they don't cover that one. Let me go over to here. And we'll do this. I'm pretty sure this should be close to what we need. Let me get this on too. All right. So we're going to look at, no, that's terrible. What are we looking at? Oh, 3 minute. That's why. Let's look here and let's look here. 1 hour. These are all my best ones anyways. That's what you want to see. Let me go over here. Nope, that's too low. All right, I'm going to check out a stock for somebody real quick, and I'll check out the next one too. I forget. We got fucking thousands symbols here. What the fuck is this? Hold on. There we go. Sorry about that. There we go. All right, now. NVIDIA looks like a sell stop. Sell stop again, 15 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute sell. Hold on. 30 minute sell. Let me see. Can we get a lower time frame for you? Can we get a lower time frame for you? Can we get a 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute? Hold on. Let me read this chart real quick I haven't looked at NVIDIA like ever, never, ever. I have no idea when was the last time I looked at that shit. All right. That looks like a thing right there. Hold on. Drop 5 minute, 15 minute sell, 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute. This is a stock, though. I'd be careful with the 1 minute, 5 minute things. Be very, very careful. It's a 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop to the blue line. NVIDIA 30 recent chart. 30 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute. 15 minute sell stop, 30 minute sell stop, 15 minute, 30 minute, 30 minutes to the blue line. Nope. 15 minute, 30 minute sell stop to the 1 hour blue line. NVIDIA. I think it's going to jerk up a little bit. Then it's going to hook and come back down. You could see the sell stop right here as easy peasy as fucking, whatever. Red, green, red, boom, sell stop. Has it finished it? No. So it's going to arch back up. Might be even do a fill in the gap one right here instead of going back all the way up on this. That's what I think you'll see. Yeah. 4 hour if you want longer term. NVIDIA, 4 hour NVIDIA. Let me see daily. Look at this. I don't know. So this is what pisses me off with people. They're so ignorant when it comes to earnings matter. The fuck they do. Everyone, I'm going to teach everyone out here that's new how earnings don't matter. Because watch what happens. Everyone out there, look, it even drew it out. How the fuck? Look what it did. It literally drew out the W for you right here. Look at this shit. Anywho, what is this, guys? When I looked at NVIDIA and we're looking at a daily, what is this right here? Hold on. I'm going to get it lined up, even though I'm sure some of you already see it. You know what I'm going to say. Watch this. How can there be any question what their earnings were going to be when every one of my members can tell you, or whatever the hell this is? They had some kind of news, I guarantee you here. This is a buy stop. This is a buy stop. Green, red, buy stop. Look at it. Oh, but I don't know what NVIDIA was going to do. And they came out with great this and they did that. Go back to that, whatever fucking day that was. What the hell is this right here, everybody? What is this on a weekly NVIDIA? Everybody, I won't even tell you what it is. This is weekly. We're going to go to NVIDIA monthly over here. Look at this shit. And then tell me that my people who don't have any way of, they've never looked at NVIDIA, I guarantee you. Watch. Da, 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 da. Look at this shit. Look at it. Easy peasy as shit you're ever going to see in your life. It's having trouble pulling up the monthly because it's too deep, but this is it. What is it? Trying to pin Craig's comment. Not likely. Yep, absolutely. What is this? This morning, Steve. Is this a buy stop, sell stop, or nothing? Everybody, buy stop, sell stop, or nothing inside my violet area right there. What is it? I got to go in about 15 minutes. I can't stay any longer. No one knows. No one knows what this is. Really? Very interesting. Not a buy, Jason. It's a buy stop. Correct, Bob. Correct, Henry. There's a buy stop. It's also a buy stop on a thing. This is the easiest shit. But yet tell me that we didn't know this is a buy stop. Back here, it's turned into a buy stop back on May. Hold on. 2022. 2022, we knew this was a buy stop. This is before any of their earnings they came out with. So whoever says this system doesn't work can suck it. Just look at it work. May of 2022, this was a buy stop. You could have bought NVIDIA when it was $108 an ounce. And you want me to go back even further? I don't know if we can. I don't know if it'll pull up a monthly or not. Let's see. So it was the memory on my computer and this computer. I don't have a monthly pool. So we can't go to monthly. But I guarantee you, everyone can see that back here, this is a monthly fill in the gap. This is a monthly buy stop. So we can go all the way back here to when NVIDIA was $33, $29 a share back here. And this is a buy stop for NVIDIA. Then we can come, and this would have been back in April of 2019. April of 2019, buy stop monthly. Right here, $111 an ounce. Called before anything. You guys can call these out on stocks. I think some of you don't understand how great it works. It works on everything you can chart, and there's 1,000 different symbols on TradingView that you can chart. Most of them are double ups and triple ups, but still they're here. Look at this. October of 2022, buy stop. Put it on the red or yellow line, and you would have made money from 135, 170 up to whatever the hell it is now. $300-400 a share. It's great for forecasting, Craig. It's outstanding for forecasting. That's exactly how it works. We forecast. It's an old-fashioned word. We see the future, Craig. Let's be clear on that. Yep. Rebel's correct. Sandman's correct. I mean, I don't know how else to explain it to you than it's the easiest shit on earth. So does that help? Who else asked the question on one of them? Neo. Let me see if I can find Neo for you. Oh, yeah. Crazy good on commodities. That's commodity. Oil is a commodity. Here's Neo. Let me see if I can find it. I don't know. Again, I don't know which one of these suckers is good. I guess I'll just take this one and see what happens with Neo. 1 minute. Buy stop to the blue line. 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop to the 3 minute blue line, Neo. 1 minute, 3 minutes buy stop to the 5 minute blue line, Neo. 15 minute, 30 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. Nope, 1 hour, 4 hour. It's a 1 hour buy forming a 1 hour, 4 hour. 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour buy. 4 hour, 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily. I need a daily. Hold on. We need this to go to daily. It's a 4 hour daily sell stop. So it's going to arch up a little bit, and then it's going to come back down again. It's going to come up over here somewhere. It's going to form a downward sloping M and then come back down. To where? Daily. I don't know. Maybe a weekly blue line down there somewhere. I don't know. But this is absolutely a 4-hour daily sell. So it's going to arch up and do a 4-hour daily sell. I hope that helps whoever that is out there. You can see it. Look what it's doing time and time again. People crack me up. Look, there's your double top, by the way. This is how you know it's an M. You see our little thing right here? And it's the opposite when it's a bottom W. Look. It tells us to go up, tells us to come down, tells us to come up, tells us to come down, tells us to come up, tells us to come down, tells us to come up, tells us to come down. It's not done on the down yet. That's why it hasn't completely finished. I can't, other than I'm having the system draw you things now. I literally have my MetaTrader 4 drawing out your higher time frame symbols. Not just oil, but soy, wheat, cocoa, all of them. Absolutely. Correct, Harris. All right. So now I went over, I don't know, 15, 16 different symbols, told you how we got into the other ones, told you about how it turned to green from when I told you it was going to turn green. This is exactly how I trade. I'm going to teach you how I trade. I don't care what you all do. You're all grown fucking adults. Do your own thing. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is how I trade. Okay? This is what I do every day. I get up out of bed. Actually, I'm still in bed. And I thank God. I have an attitude of gratitude, which sounds corny, but tough shit. It's what I do. I thank God for every breath I take. I give him credit for everything I have. My life isn't perfect. There's plenty of sorrow I can focus on. There's plenty of bad things I can put my attention to. But like the eye of Sauron, I choose to focus on the good. I choose to focus on what I can help and can't control, and the people I can help and do better. So I focus on my good, and I'm grateful to God for every breath I take. Do I have any physical problems? Of course I do. Do I have any issues? Of course I do. Do I have any problems? Of course I do. Is my life perfect? Fuck no. Do I let any of my miseries overwhelm me? No. When my mom died, was I completely destroyed? Yes. Did I keep going? Yes. When my dad died, same thing. Just happened a few years ago. I don't give up. Just keep trying. Hope for the best. Lord willing, you get some better results, whatever. That's all you can do. Don't worry. We'll all be dead soon enough. You think anyone here, 100 years from now, they'll know my name? No, they won't. Will they know your names? I don't want to get anyone depressed here. No, they won't. Will they know my wife's name, Bri? No, they won't. 100 years from now, someone else will be living in your car, your house, sorry. Your cars will be useless. They'll be junk. 100 years from now, none of your jobs matter. 100 years from now, none of my children will still be alive. 100 years from now, all of us will be gone off the face of the earth that are currently talking, unless they come through some miracle science breakthrough. We're done. So don't anyone take this shit too seriously. Enjoy life. It's short. Enjoy life. Have a great time. Enjoy life. Make memories today. Go see a silly Godzilla movie with your brother because your brother loves Godzilla. Take your wife out shopping for the millionth time to wherever store she loves because it brings a smile to her face. Go to Callaway Gardens. Go to a butterfly museum because butterflies are very pretty. They don't live a long life either. Enjoy life. Make memories. Learning this system to trade isn't the end all to end all. Learning this way to system to trade is for your financial freedom so that you can go make more memories. And more importantly, you can go help other people do and have more memories. That's all. Just trying to help you. That's all. Robin's buy system, marriages is facts, and it's absolutely advice. Thank you, because I don't really care. So I get up. If my eyes open, I thank God. I'm pretty sure one day my eyes won't open, and I'll give him a big hug when I see God, and I'll tell him you guys said hi. Second thing I do is all my physical stuff, which I've been very lazy about the last 2 or 3 days. I've been horrible. But usually I would say 5 days out of the week, I get up and do my Wim Hof, my jogging, my EWAP, my cold therapy, my whatever. I do it all, lifting weights. Then I look at my H&H scanner. This is the H&H Blue Line scanner. What do I see? Well, it all depends. Right now I see nothing but green, so I'm expecting these things to turn to red. Sometime between Sunday night, Monday morning before 9:30 a.m., I think we'll see these all go towards their blue lines or to their blue lines or past them. If they go past their blue lines, this will turn to red. This is a scanner. This is called the Blue Line. Let me show you what it's called. The Blue Line H&H scanner. This scanner is a free gift from Bri and I. This scanner is free. We charge $500 a month if you want to get it, but we gave it to you guys for being in the scanner room for nothing. If you pay $50 a month, you get it for free. If you're in the sniper, you have something better. And this is a lot of you are so silly. You have what's called the scanner on your sniper, on your trading view, and it's better than the one I'm showing you. So it's the same, sure, it's the exact same thing. Watch. It's right here. I'm going to show you what it looks like right here. Let me show you what it looks like right there. Oops, sorry, this one. This scanner that I gave you guys for free is actually better because now you can change it to Bitcoin and Ethereum to see how that works. Don't worry, I'm creating a free scanner in the next 6 months or so. That'll come out for Bitcoin and Ethereum. That'll be given to anyone that's in the scanner room or sniper, has a sniper add-on. You'll get this one. And you're also going to get an ERUSD, which is going to be amazing. The ERUSD. And you can change these to anything you want. And you have 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, and it's on your own. We charged $5,000 to have this put on MetaTrader 4. I gave it to you guys for free. Literally charged $5,000 to have this put on a MetaTrader 4 platform. And we gave it to you guys for free. I don't know. Interesting. So do you have to get it to look like my scanner here? No. Did you notice they're the same? You can input anything you want to input into here, right here, and you can input it in. You can change it to any ones. You can do futures, which I wouldn't. I would change these directly to the ones we have, NAS and US 30 and SPX. They're the same. So I check it. What do I see? Well, they're all green. They've been all green all Friday, blah, blah, blah. I'm expecting them. They might go up when it first opens. That's cool. But I would say by 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard tomorrow, by the time the United States markets opens, you're going to see these things flip to red. At least go towards it. Might not turn to red, but they'll go towards it. Okay? All right? So here, that's what I look at. I'll read all your comments in a second. The very next thing I do is I go ahead and look at my rules and the 1 hours. Let me pull this down now. So I'm going to take this away. I'm going to come over to here, and Lord willing, I'm going to find a set of rules that are open. Yep, here. Here are my rules. So what do I do when I look at my rules? I look for either our green up arrow buy stop or a red down arrow. Then I come over here. How do I find those? I look at A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, D. Okay, you have to have confirmation of the arrow on both. If you're trading 1 minute, 5 minute, it has to be found on your 5 minute first, then your 1 minute. If you're trading your 1 hour, 4 hours, you have to do that. I prefer you guys trade. All beginners should be trading until you get better with the system. Is your specific rules trading? You should be trading 15-minute 1 hours. Okay, so this is where I'm at now. I'm going to read the rules because this is what you guys should do. You should print these rules. You should have these laminated. You should have these in front of you. You should only follow these rules and only trade these rules. Okay. Specific rules trading. 1, if you don't see a clear safety trade on the 1 minute time frame, look to the next higher time frame and so on. But keep checking back on those because the order in which the safety trades form are 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, and so on. So the faster ones form first. You can open up more than one, but don't get suckered into those higher time frames. Say you're looking for a buy stop, but it's going down on the 1 minute for a sell stop. And again, 90% of you, when you have a problem, is this thing right here. You get suckered into trades you shouldn't be. Okay, let the trades finish. That means it hits this blue line multiple times and it will stop. Look for your sell stop. Stop loss to be put in at the pivot point. If you don't know what it means, buy the system and quit scamming. If you don't know how to take profits by opening more than 1 or 2, don't ask me about it here. When you ask me number 5 and 6, I know you guys are scammers. So don't scam. Number 7, if otherwise you'd have your training video and you can rewatch the training video and I tell you where to put your stop loss. I tell you where to put how to do your take profits. So if you don't know it, it's because you're trying to scam. Buy the system, quit trying to do that. Always move your buy stop line up and down. I'm not really going to get into that either. That's also taught. Most important rule of them all, always thank God, always do good with your profits and always have my back. Boy, oh boy, if you guys aren't giving God the credit, I don't know, you're pretty silly. Yeah, every breath we take comes from where? No one knows. Better give Flying Spaghetti Monster the credit, Jesus Christ the credit, or Muhammad the credit, or Buddha the credit. No, okay, Buddha's not supernatural, but some supernatural being the credit. Because if you think that science has everything figured out, no, just big fat fucking no. No, they don't. All right. So anyway, so this is what I'm doing. I'm going to go hunt now on my 1 hours. I immediately come over to my 1 hour charts. And what do I look for? I'm going to open up my NAS 1 hour, my US 30 1 hour, and my SPX. And the only thing I'm going to look for is going to be the blue line, whether it's high or low or not. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Okay. So now we have here, okay, this is US 30 1 hour. If you can't see it, it's H1 1 hour time frame, US 30. And this is what I'm looking for. So when I'm looking here, I'm gonna have to get going here soon. When I'm looking here, I'm looking, is it high or low on the 1 hour? And there's no consistency. I could see US 30 is high. I can see NAS is low, and I can see SPX is kind of coming up high. So this to me tells me bullshit. There's nothing happening consistently. So I have to go up to a higher time frame to find a consistency. Now what do I see? I see SPX rising up on the 4 hour. I see NAS on the lower, down low. I see US 30 up high. See, to me, this is inconsistency again. Nothing accurate. Now, you can't really do daily because now you're getting into a whole nother level of holy fuck. But if we were going to look at daily, and then we go to NAS, and then we go to SPX. Okay, well, here it is. You clearly see that the high is high line and the purple's coming down low and starting to hook up. Clearly. So that means this would have been a daily fucking buy stop. Wow, crazy. It's amazing where I put my little buy, take profit at and where I got in at, isn't it? Right off the hook. Anyhow, US 30. Let's take a look. Yep. Look at this shit. So in my opinion, my humble opinion, if we look closely, we are entirely 1,000,000% too far away. We are literally in the throngs of 2,500 to 2,800 pips up. That's just, I don't care. On a daily, that's insanity. On a 4 hour, we're just too far away. Price is too far away from our yellow and red lines. Too far away on the daily, too far away on the 4 hour, too far away on the 1 hour, too far away on the 30 minute, too far away on the 15 minute, not too bad on the 5 minute, and not too bad on the 1 minute, but they're still too far away. So even though this is showing a 1 minute buy stop, I'm officially calling 1 minute sell stop towards their blue lines. Okay. So let's take a look again. Now we're going to look at a 5 minute and a fit too far, 15 minute, 30 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour buy. It's just too far. There's just no fucking way. When I wrote you out, my favorite was the 1 hour buy stops. They all came true. Look at the amount of money you literally could have and should have made 400 pips on US 30. Look at NAS. Oh, NAS didn't do as good. The fuck it didn't. You tell me that NAS at 80 pips, 90 pips isn't good, then you don't know how to fucking trade. The average professional trader makes 10 pips in a day. That's 90. Oh, but SPX, look at SPX. Nothing but money. So what's it going to do? I say it's going to come down. And then I say it's going to form us either 15-minute, 30-minute buy stops. I can't call these my favorite anymore. Why? Because they're no longer there. They're already used up. They blew the wad. They're done. They're gone. So now we're going to look for these 15-minute, 15-minute/30-minute buy stops to form. We have to wait for them to form. I'm going to write that out so no one's mistaken here. Wait for these to form, or don't trade. Oh, I want to trade. Then go trade something else. You have 1,000 other symbols to go trade. Stay away from these. So if you don't want to look and wait for these sell stops to happen, then don't. Wait for it. Okay. What time is it? Got a few more minutes. She's not up yet. All right. So look, I'm going to teach you guys some advanced shit that I went over on Friday again so you can see how easy this stuff is. Okay. Let me show you. Okay, I'm going to look at your guys' comments now. Good morning, Steve. Trusting God. Yep, Amy Lou, absolutely. You're welcome, Michael. Thank you, Bob Ooten, by the system. Facts is rare. Absolutely live life is full. Scorpio Mom, too. Thank you for saying I need to hear that. You're welcome, Scorpio Mom. Great advice, says Jason. Well, you're welcome, Jason. Here's my system, the springboard to better life, craft and wonderful life. People you want to spend more. Absolutely, Harris Tran. Good morning, SIPTA TV. Good morning, Robel. God bless you again. You're welcome, SIPTA. Good morning, Ryan. All right. So then this is how I trade. So this is what we went over, and is how I traded everything for you guys on Friday. We have 2 out of the 3 scanner. What it's scanning for, and how you guys can get a really good sheet on everything, is when this switches to go back down, that won't do it first on the 30-minute. It can't. Those 1 hours are made up of these 1 minutes. So the first thing you're going to see is say US 30 turn to red, 1 red. Then you'll see these 2 turn to 2 green. Then say you see NAS turn to red. You'll see 2 red, 2 red, and 1 green. So that means SPX is left. So let me show you how this looks in real life on Friday. The first one to hit its blue line was NAS. What do I mean hit it? Price is here. Price came down and hit its blue line on NAS. 1 minute. Okay? So this is the red line. This is NAS 1 minute. The next one to do it, which is usually the case, was SPX. And it did it on the white line right here. So NAS, when it hit it, SPX was up here. And the white line right here is where SPX crossed. So NAS hit it first here. Then SPX came down and hit it here. Everybody clear on that? 7s for yeses, 9s for nos, please. And I don't have a lot of time left. I'm going to have to shorten this up real quick. You're welcome, Michael Mahoyan. Okay. So when it switches, good. So most everybody's got that. Now watch. We go to US 30. When US 30, when they hit, US 30 was up here when NAS hit, was up here when SPX hit. So US 30 had all this money from here down to the blue line where it crossed here, which was over 70 pips they gave us virtually for free. And here is the sell stop. And we also had our, more importantly, we had our sniper sell stop right here also. And it did it again. So this is the easiest money you could possibly ever have in the history of the world happened on Friday. And you know what? It doesn't just happen on Friday. It happens all the fucking time in the world. How is that possible? Let's watch. Let me show you what it looks like. Da, 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 da. Now let's take a look. When the sell stop occurred right here, the most important indicator is the Bach indicator. It's red, red, right? But look at it. I pulled it out so you guys can see this. I made it blue lines for you guys. What is it? This one or this one? Let me see. I'm not sure. Let me see what this one is. Yeah, it's that one, I thought. All right. Blue line down low, number 1. Yep. Number 2, arched up. Yep. So you have a sniper entry, the 3rd sniper entry. Then for confirmation, pink came up with it and a sell stop. Look, going to the blue line. So even if you didn't take this one and you didn't take the fill in the gap one, here's your sell stop, triple top right here. There's your M down to the blue line. There it is and below. They gave you 30 to 40 pips for free. Everyone see this? So if you're patient and if you wait tonight and you say, I'm not going to take these buys, I'm going to sit out of it and I'm just going to wait. You wait for one of these 3s to turn red. Then you look at the other 2 that are left and you wait for a sell stop to the blue line on NAS and SPX, or on US 30, say SPX hit it. You wait, and then both of these turn red, and then you wait for US 30 to do it. It'll look just like this. And you take the sell stop, and it goes down. And then, of course, it goes up, because all it's forming right here is your 15-minute, 30-minute buy stops. So what does that look like? Let's take a look. Gee whiz, I don't know. What the fuck is this on Friday? Look at it. People crack me up with their lack of common sense. Does that make, you know what I'm saying? Like, what are you looking at? There it is. 1, Blue line high on the 1 hour. 2, blue line dipped down. 3, pink line came with it. 4, there's a buy stop. So if you didn't want to play the 1 minutes to make this, it was coming down to make it, then play the 15-minute buy stop. Of course, because if you'd have only made 330 pips. Lordy, lordy. There you go. High, number 1, high, number 2, low. I dumbed down my system to 2 effing lines. That's all I got for you guys. Best I can do. Does all of that make sense, or most all of that makes sense? If not, rewatch this video. Do you understand that? Yeses, please. And that's it. Thank you all very much. Have a great day. Don't forget to record your sessions. Don't forget to buy the system. Don't forget to unlearn what you thought you knew to relearn it. Okay? Don't forget, we are senior Stan ambassadors. We're a top performing store. Bri and I have one of the top 50, and I'm not even sure on this, but it might even be the top 20 store in the world for Stan. So yes, we make money selling our system, and I'm very proud of that. We gave you tons of free upgrades. Remember, when you guys hear me, which sounds like anger to a lot of you, aggression to a lot of you, I'm just being passionate, according to Nick Saban. How happy are you with today's trading? 1 on a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the best. You can be 100, 1,000. You can be a negative 1,000, I guess. How happy are you guys with today's training today? There's no trading. You're welcome, Steve. Thank you for all that. You're welcome. You wouldn't like it. You're welcome, Henry Chastain. You're welcome, Jones. 1,000, 10, 10, 10, 10,000. Thank you, Manuela. D nice. 1 million, says Robel. Robel, I know you're saying 1 million. You're making $1 million these days. Robel's just like, he touches everything and turns to gold. Love your training every day. Thank you, Bob. Love you being here, Bob. Thank you, LT, for being here. Thank you all for being here. Appreciate you all. Have a wonderful day. Now go make some great memories. Even if it's just going to the park and walking around the park and feeding some ducks. I don't know. Feed some turtles. They need food too. I love turtles. My favorite animal. All right. God bless. See you all on TikTok. Bye-bye. Hopefully y'all check out this stuff because I'm trying to give you guys hope here. That's what we're doing. Good luck on those call outs. Let's see if they work out. Thank you, JTFS6. All right. God bless y'all. Have a wonderful day. See y'all. Won't be tonight. It'll be Monday morning at the earliest. God bless y'all. Turtles roll. Aren't they the best, Mr. Q Mason? Love turtles. All right. God bless y'all. Talk to you later.